how to adjust or resize screen size in OBS Studio. So if you want to adjust or resize your screen size in your OBS Studio, then first you need to open up your OBS Studio right here. So once you're under the OBS Studio, now if you want to resize or adjust your screen size, you can simply go with the arrows, which is right here, and you can adjust it. You can drag it to the upwards or to the downwards to adjust your screen. And if you want to resize your screen, from here you will have the blue line, right? You can simply drag and adjust it. So just go with the red colored interface and you can simply adjust like this. It won't affect the aspect ratio. And if you want to change the aspect ratio, then what you need to do is just simply press shift and then change. And if you've overdone anything, like any adjustments, then you can just simply press Control Z or right click on the screen and then go with transform and go with reset transform so that it will be reset. So that's how you can adjust or resize your screen size in your OBS Studio. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.